To update a company or customer's contract price level, simply go into the company or customer profile. Within this, you can come into Edit Account Settings, and you can put the company or customer on the contract price level they need to be on. So if we do level 1, it's automatically going to update, and any contacts that are assigned to this company, they're going to automatically be using that same contract price level. It's the same thing if I go into a customer profile. So we'll go into Brittany's here. We'll come into Edit Account Details, and we can put her on contract level 2. Now, anytime I go to create a quote or an order, or they're logged in, placing their own quote request or order through a site, it's automatically going to be using that contract price level. Keep in mind, if a store's on a contract price level and a customer's on a different contract price level, the customer's pricing will take precedence over the store's. It's really that easy to go into a customer company account profile, update the contract price level, and then also manipulate it on the fly when necessary when you're creating a quote or an order from scratch.